Okay, I'm going to tell you how to grow on YouTube. Absolutely no bullshit, no script. I'm putting the script down. We're going to talk about this in 2 minutes because I think it's really important. No teleprompter, it's all going off. And basically, from my own experience, I've got like 50, 100,000 subscribers over a bunch of channels over the past few years. I've got millions and millions of views on those channels. Lots of them have scaled to really, really good level businesses. I've even grown a Warhammer channel to 10K subscribers over the past year for fun. And I'm going to tell you what works. It's this. It's literally two simple things. The first thing is very, very specific channel niche. Warhammer channel, for example, that I've just told you about, very, very specific. Warhammer lore for people who want to listen to Warhammer lore, very specific characters within the lore, and basically modeled after the kind of, very deep divey kind of stuff that people like. That is it, super specific. And then I look at what characters work within that niche, those specific topics within the niche, and then I just make more videos about them and I iterate. And the second core pillar that I talked about over here, this side, is consistently posting in that niche over a long period of time. It's really, really that simple. And if your videos are of a decent quality, and I'm assuming that you know what decent quality is because you're probably starting a channel because you were inspired by other people who are making channels like that. I know that I was. For example, Lutin, Major Kill, these people, the Remembrancer in the Warhammer niche. I knew what a good standard of quality was from watching other channels. If you make content to a similar standard of quality over a long period of time in a specific niche, your channel will grow. I know people tell you so many things. They'll go, thumbnails, titles, and all that stuff does matter. 30-second hooks, retention loops, all of this stuff is important. And you can include that as time goes on, like I said, as you iterate and improve your channel. But these are the two things that you need to do. If you do these things for a consistent period of time, if you do a video a day for a year in a very consistent niche, very, very, very specific niche in a specific topics within the niche, multiple different angles, and you have a good standard of quality and you continuously post consistent content that feels the same every time, that's recognizable, and you've got decent thumbnails, decent titles, you are going to grow on YouTube. It's really that simple. I've got something in my eye because honestly, I wish someone had told me this because then I would have... I'm not crying. I'm just thinking about how simple this actually can be, because I went down the rabbit hole of I'll just start a channel, and then I went down the rabbit hole of oh my god, there's a million billion things that I need to do to make my videos perform better. I've got like the most ridiculously dialed in hooks ever. I spend like 4 hours on my thumbnails to make sure that they're locked in on these channels. My titles need to be, absolutely ridiculously good, the 100th percentile of amazing, so that I can get clicks. I've got to put retention hooks and re-hooks through my videos. And I spent like 3 days writing scripts. And then I've come back to the idea of just all that stuff is important for sure. And you can do that and you can get into the nitty gritty with it. If you really, really want to dial in your stuff, you can do that. And I'm not saying that you can't, but what I'm saying is I've come back to two things. Specific channel, as specific as you can be, so that YouTube knows exactly who to show your videos to. Like I said, Warhammer channel, characters within Warhammer, lore about them, stories, breaking news, things that are really interesting now, or characters that have had really good performance on videos I've just done. Iterate, post consistently, post to a decent standard of quality. Consistency in terms of uploading and the feel of your videos, how they look, how they feel to watch, so they feel like people feel like they can trust you, so they feel comfortable, so people feel like they can come back and get the same experience in a specific niche. If you do these two things, post consistently, specific niche, consistent videos, consistent feel, over and over and over again, you will get YouTube subscribers, YouTube growth. These things will happen for you, and the speed, like I said, depends on how much you dial in those things I talked about. Hooks, thumbnails, titles, 30-second hook, how long people watch after 30 seconds, how long people watch to the end of your video, how many people watch the whole video. All these things matter, obviously, session time, how many people watch your video after your video, how many people stay on the platform for long times because of your video. All of these things matter, but like I said, the main thing is just really specific channel. Keep posting in that specific niche over and over again. Check out other people in your niche. This is the best way to do it. Go, if you want to start a YouTube channel, let's say you do a cooking channel, go and look at like the top 10 cooking creators, look what they do, study how they structure their videos, study how they sound, how they feel, what makes you like them, what makes you not like them, and then do that. Just do something similar. You don't have to copy them. I'm not saying go and copy people's scripts exactly. I'm not saying go and copy people's videos exactly. What I'm saying is take the format and apply it to your own ideas, and then iterate, find the things that work in that niche. The cooking niche, you might be like the best ways to make potatoes. You might be the best ways to make potatoes in 5 minutes. You might be the best ways to make potatoes in 2 minutes when you're a single mother. And it's really difficult to make food all the time because you're always so tired and you're looking after the baby. Make really specific content and then make it consistently. And I promise you, you will see results. This is what people do not tell you. It doesn't have to be so complicated, but you do have to put the work in, and you do have to be consistent in terms of finding a suitable standard, a good standard that would fit in. If, for example, you know, one of the top people in your space posted a video and then your video came straight after, would you fit in? If you fit into a reasonable standard, then your videos will be good enough. And then it's a case of iteration, repetition. Post 20 videos in a niche, very specific. One of them will do better than the other ones. Do a few more videos about that, and then keep iterating, keep finding things that work, and you will start gaining momentum. This is how to grow on YouTube in 2026. It doesn't have to be really complicated. You can do it. Go and do it now. I believe in you.